Hi, this is Carrie. I'm making this video for my art teacher friends. This is not for those of you who've done screencasting before. This is not for people who are super savvy. This is a very straightforward, simple, basic instruction of how I'm going to screencast. I'm going to do two of these videos. One of them is for Macintosh, which is this video, and then one is going to be for PC. So if you need PC, if you're working with PC format, just hang up. This is not the video for you. Okay, so this video is for Mac users. So I'm going to talk to you about my setup and what is easy and what products are working for me so that you can learn from what's working for one person. There are many ways of doing this. Okay, so first things first is I'm using my iPhone. So if you are a Mac person, I'm going to use my iPhone as the document camera. So I'm not going to buy a peripheral doc cam. You could do that if it is compatible with your Mac at home. I work with a MacBook Pro. When I record, I've been using these. These are the Logitech basic headset. It's got a built-in mic. It's pretty sturdy. It plugs into a USB, which is what I like. So this is basic setup I've got. What my camera is snapped into right now, I'm going to unscrew this and take a picture of this. So this is my tripod. So I think you can see that. So I have an adapter that I'm going to show you that I got off of Amazon. And then there's my tripod. It's a Vista Explorer. I got that on Amazon too. It's not too expensive. I bought it actually for a photo setup, but I like it a lot. So I'm using it with this adapter for my iPhone. Now what's great about this is it's got an easy quick release on it so that you can rotate this so that it's either vertical or horizontal. Also, it could go straight down. So if you're drawing on the table, this will work if you're doing a video directly to your phone without using the document camera. So this is the product I liked right there for my tripod. And you can buy this kind of adapter, but these break pretty quick. You can also sometimes find these at a dollar store attached to a selfie stick, and that works great too. This is the one I like, the tripod adapter that goes with my cell phone. You can see I've got the little, selfie stick adapter with a little tabletop one. That works okay, but it's not as stable, and I've had those fall over. Now the other thing that I like about this is if you're going to record directly to your phone, it has a Bluetooth shutter release so that you can start your video without touching your camera or your phone, which is really nice. That's a good feature. This is the headset that I'm using right now. I'm not actually using it for this video, but if I screencasted, this is what I would use. It has better sound, and it also helps to cancel the outside sound a little bit. All right, now the other thing I recommend is using Loom, L-O-O-M, so loom.com. So I'm organizing my work in here. So these are the videos that I've created so far. I've been working on these color theory ones right there. You can download them and put them up to YouTube directly from Loom. Loom Pro is free for teachers right now. So this is what I'm doing. Now, with Loom, I recommend you download the app right to your desktop. So see this logo up there? There it is. Now usually there's some button controls on the left. You can see I've got an issue with my screen at home where the left isn't showing. So I have actually just put those shortcuts up there so that I can use them. So I know I can start or stop the video. So with any kind of presentation, you can just pull up your PDF and then you use Loom to screencast. So let me see if I can show you. So I'll pull up my handout, I'll pull up my PowerPoint, I'll talk through it, and then I would use just QuickTime. So when you pull up QuickTime, let me do that like from the start. You actually just go into File, New Movie Recording, and it naturally shows up as the screen, but then you go down this little arrow here, and then you go and you can use it as the phone. Now my phone isn't currently plugged in, or actually it is. So then whatever is on my phone will show up on the screen, just like it's doing right then. So that's pretty great. All right, so that is Loom. QuickTime with your cell phone hooked up through this little adapter. Now the hardest thing about this whole process is making sure that you have all your updates done on your Mac, which the last one took about an hour and a half to upload the last update. And then also making sure you have all your updates done on your iPhone. So that took me about an hour or two to update all of that. But once I had a good charging cable, which has got to be an Apple product, the ones from Best Buy won't work unless it's an Apple product. Once you have all the connectors and the updates done, you can use your iPhone as a document camera and then screencast to Loom with QuickTime on. That way you can just draw. You can like draw on your Apple iPhone screen, and then it'll show up here. And then if I started Loom, see, I hit start recording, and there I show up, and I can make this a little bit bigger. You can see the video starting. You can make you big, or you can actually minimize too. So there is a video. So that is a very simple way to do it. You can see I'm in Loom right now, and there's my video. You can rename this as test. You can replay it at different speeds. You can download it and everything. All right, so not very pretty, but very simple. How to use your iPhone as a document camera, use a tripod, and then you can screencast using Loom Pro. It's free right now for teachers because of COVID-19. Thank you. Have a good day.